All right, we're ready for the maiden on this thing. This is my combat wing. Put it on the CNC and yeah, I don't know, it's just an easy thing to CNC quick, and we'll see if it even flies. I don't know if it will. I feel like it's not gonna fly. I don't know the CG or nothing, so we're gonna douche it into the snow and see what happens. What? It flies! Oh my god! Oh, I'm running full up though. I gotta trim this. Almost too much now. Yes! Dude! I can't believe this is flying right now. What? It's so effing slow, but god damn it, it's flying. Oh, there's my loop. Holy shit, I need to increase the rates. This is a draggy son of a bitch. Oh my god! Sounds awesome. This is a piece of fucking pink insulation. Dude, it flies so good. It's the I'm literally one-handing it right now. Half throttle, and it's so stable. This is a fucking amazing. Amazing. I didn't even need much trim. Oh, can't even do a roll. I don't know if it's nose heavy or anything. I can't like get up. I don't even want to try going upside down. I don't have enough. I'm gonna bring it in. I'm gonna try to change some stuff quick and then take it back up. Give myself a little more rate, and then I can try some tricks. Look at this glide path. Needs some speed. I don't want to break my prop. Ooh. Oh, I gotta warm up my hands. Holy shit. There it is. Successful first flight. Oh, that was awesome. I guarantee it's nose heavy, but holy shit, that was cool. Can't believe it. All right, still not gonna play with CG, but now that I know it flies, I can use my hand pants. Dude, easy to launch too. Fuck it, damn near perfect CG. It's actually climbing on me. Little nose, it's weird because this thing doesn't have an airfoil. It doesn't know. A little bit of nosedive. I'm about perfect. Fucking A. Guest on CG too. Bringing in for a pass. So I don't know, it turns tight. I guess with more throttle it should be pretty easy. It's holding up to all my, so the wing can hold up to itself as far as its own weight. It's not gonna break. This is fucking sweet. Man, I'm comfy flying this thing now. It flies pretty good. S 2200. Zero idea of the flight time, but it should be pretty good if I'm half throttling it the whole time. I'd imagine 15 minutes. Running a 10.45 slow fly prop. Well, there goes my there goes my Velcro on my battery. Good thing it held on for the flight. Fuck yes. That was amazing. Cannot believe this thing flew fucking as good as it did. So cool. Oh yeah, she's a little chewed up. Might have to make some skids for the bottom, do some slats. There it is, guys. Combat V1 wing.